What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Beat of Business, and in this video I'm going to do a full review on the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. And don't worry, I didn't make this video to try to convince you to get this credit card. I'm actually going to do a full in-depth review on this credit card, and I'll cover the pros and the cons of this credit card so that you have a better understanding of whether or not this credit card is right for you. I've actually been thinking about getting this credit card for a while, and I've actually been doing a lot of research the past couple of days. So I thought, why not just go ahead and make a video on this credit card for all of my subscribers. In a nutshell, if you shop at Amazon or at Whole Foods, there is no other credit card on planet Earth that will reward you like the Amazon Prime credit card. So with that, let's jump straight into the video and let's jump into my computer to cover this credit card in greater detail. And here's the homepage of the credit card, and as you can see, it says Zuha, start Prime Day early with a $200 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval for a limited time only. And if any of you are wondering who Zuha is, that's my wife. And some of the biggest benefits of this card is that you'll earn 5% cash back at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market with an eligible Prime membership. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just to get this out of the way, to really get the 5% cash back on this credit card, you will need an eligible Prime membership that needs to be linked to this credit card. But moving forward, you'll get 2% cash back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. And then you'll get 1% back on utilities, rideshare, and all other purchases. And then you get 6% cash back. It says card members with an eligible Prime membership earn 6% back at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market on July 12th and 13th. I'm assuming that that is a Prime Day exclusive just for Prime members. Another big benefit of this credit card is that there is no annual credit card fee. Now, if any of you follow the credit card market, you'll know that a lot of the premium credit cards have annual fees ranging from $70 all the way up to $600, $700 for some of the more premium credit cards. So this is a huge plus for this credit card that it has no annual credit card fee. And it also has no foreign transaction fees. Now, if you're like me and my wife, we definitely love to travel, and we frequently just hop across the border to Canada just to do some day shopping, or we'll just go to grab lunch. So the fact that this card has no foreign transaction fees is definitely a big plus in my book. And just to confirm the 6% cash back, you'll see here that it says big deals, bigger rewards, 2 days only. So Prime Day is more than a sales event, it's an epic celebration. This year, Prime card holders can earn 6% back on Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market on Prime Day, which is July 12th and 13th. So it's technically Prime Days, and 5% back year-round with an eligible Prime membership. Don't miss out. And you'll earn 10% back or more on select products with Prime Card Bonus. So it says eligible Prime card members earn 10% back or more on rotating selection of items and categories on Amazon. These are limited time offers. Another benefit of this card is the equal monthly payments. It says get it now and pay over time. It says card members can choose 5% back or a 0% promo APR for 6 to 18 months on purchases of $50 or more. After the 0% promo period, a variable APR of 15.74% to 23.74% applies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can use this feature. I have no doubt that you can probably use this feature to your benefit. But if you're like me, I just like to pay off my credit cards in full every single month. I don't like to, partake in promotions like this, mainly because I forget about them. So if I were to buy something and forget about it, I'm gonna start, accruing APR. And for me, it's just easier to pay off my credit card in full every single month. And that way I'm not paying any interest at all. Now, in this section of the video, I wanna cover the other perks that this credit card offers, because what we just covered was some of the more Amazon related benefits, but this credit card comes with a lot of other perks, which we'll dive deep into in this section of the video. And as you can see here on the credit card's homepage, it says you can travel with confidence. You have no foreign transaction fees, travel and emergency assistance, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, travel accident insurance. And then you have protections for unexpected setbacks. You get roadside dispatch, auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase protection, and extended warranty protection. And then we can move into the Visa Signature perks. It says your complimentary Visa Signature concierge service is available 24/7 to assist you with planning and booking. So me being me, I went ahead and clicked learn more to learn more. And as you can see at the top of the page, we've got the 5% back, the 2% back at restaurants, and the 1% back on all other purchases. But to dive deep into the other perks of this card, you've got to scroll down a little bit further, and you'll see that you have no foreign transaction fees, and then you've got kind of the summary of it. You've got travel accident insurance, and the details are when you pay for your air, bus, train, or cruise transportation with your Amazon Rewards Visa Signature credit card, you are eligible to receive accidental death or dismemberment coverage of up to $500,000. Now, if we look at the lost luggage reimbursement, it says if you or an immediate family member check or carry on luggage that is damaged or lost by the carrier, you're covered up to $3,000 per passenger. And then you've got baggage delay insurance, and it says it reimburses you for essential purchases like toiletries and clothing for baggage delays over 6 hours by passenger carrier up to $100 a day for 3 days. And then you've got travel and emergency assistance, and it says if you run into a problem away from home, call the benefit administrator for legal and medical records or other travel and emergency assistance. You will be responsible for the cost of any goods or services obtained. And with this card, you also get the auto rental collision damage waiver. So it says you can decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the entire rental cost to your Amazon Rewards Visa Signature card. Coverage is provided for theft and collision damage for most rental cars in the US and abroad. In the US, coverage is secondary to your personal insurance. And then you get roadside dispatch, and it gives you a number that you can call if you need roadside dispatch. And you get extended warranty protection. It says your Amazon Rewards Visa Signature card extends the time period for the US manufacturer's warranty by an additional year on eligible warranties of 3 years or less. Love that. And then you also get purchase protection, which is your Amazon Rewards Visa Signature card covers your new purchases for 120 days against damage or theft up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. And other benefits of this card are the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection. So you can choose from over 900 luxury hotels around the world. It says card members receive the best available rate, automatic room upgrades, complimentary in-room Wi-Fi, and more. And this card also comes with Visa Signature Concierge Service. So you get complimentary Visa Signature Concierge Service 24 hours a day. You can find tickets to the top sports and entertainment events, make dinner reservations, and even get help sending the perfect gift. To access this service, simply call the 1-800 number listed here. Now that section was definitely a handful, but I hope you guys got some value out of it because I know there are some other credit card reviews out there, but I personally love to kind of dig deep and dive deep into these credit cards so that I can really take advantage of all of their perks and benefits. So just by reading this, I know that I get, rental car insurance. I know that I get extended warranties on some of my purchases. So just as a rule of thumb, anytime that you're doing any type of credit card research or signing up for a credit card, make sure you read the fine print because there may be some benefits that aren't listed on the advertising pamphlets that may be beneficial to you. Now in this section of the video, I want to talk about the sign-up bonus. Now as you can see here, it says Zua start Prime Day early with a $200 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval for a limited time only. Now I'm pretty sure that this $200 sign-up bonus is one of the largest sign-up bonuses that Amazon has ever offered. I went back and I did a lot of research, and it seems like most people have either got a $100 sign-up bonus or a $150 sign-up bonus. So the fact that they're offering a $200 sign-up bonus right now definitely perked my ears and is one of the reasons that I'm strongly considering opening this credit card. Now in this section of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can find out how much you spend at Amazon. Now the reason that I was interested in finding out how much we spend at Amazon in any given year was because we pay an annual Prime membership of $140, I believe. And the real reason that I wanted to get this card was try to see if I could either offset some of that cost or eat up the entire cost. Because by using this card and getting 5% cash back at Amazon and at Whole Foods, I'm pretty much gonna be subsidizing my $140 annual Prime membership. And in case any of you are curious, I actually went ahead and did the math, and the break-even point to have this credit card pay for your Prime membership is $2,780. So if you spend $2,780 on this credit card at Amazon and Whole Foods for the 5% cash back, you'll be paying for your Prime membership. Well, actually, you'll be getting $140 cash back by spending that $2,780, which in essence pays for your Prime membership. Now, in order to find out how much you spent at Amazon, say last year, we just wanna go up here where it says Hello Zua Account List and just click on it. And then you'll go over here where it says Your Payments, view all transactions, manage payment methods and settings, click there. And then you can see that it says, Zua, you could have earned 5% back in rewards last year with Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. That's worth $119.51 when redeemed. And it says start earning 5% cash back and get a $200 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval. So as you can see, Amazon already has my spending figured out and is already pitching me this credit card, saying that I could have earned $119.51 last year had I had this credit card. Now, in order to find out how much you've actually spent at Amazon in a given year, you have to go to your account, your orders, and then go to order history reports. And from there, you can just say report type items, January 1, 2021. So let's just go 01/01/2021. Let's go to 12/31/2021. And you can just request the report. And it says that we are processing your report. And while this report is processing, it says you have quick set options, which I didn't see. So you can actually just go last month, last 30 days, last year, or year to date. So I probably could have just hit last year and probably run this same exact report. All right, it says your report has finished. If you are not automatically redirected to the download link, you can download the report from the table below. And as you can see here, you can download this file and you can plug it into your Google Sheets or your Excel, and you can run with it. Now in this section of the video, I wanna talk about how the points accrue and how you can use your points to redeem cash back. And there's no better way to learn how this process works than by reading the fine print. And it says here, earning percent back rewards. You'll earn either 5% back or 3% back for each $1 of eligible purchases made using your card account at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market, as described above. And here it says 5% back equates to 5 cents in percent back rewards, which is equal to 5 points for each $1 spent. So it is pretty self-explanatory, but if you were to spend $1 at Whole Foods or at Amazon.com, you'll get 5 points on your credit card. So if you spent $1,000, let's say in 2021, you would have 5,000 points in your Chase account, which you can then redeem for $50 in cash back. So I'm not really sure why Amazon uses a points structure to give you cash back. It would be awesome if they just gave you cash back instead of using points, but I'm sure it has something to do with the underlying bank or the issuing bank, which is Chase. Now in this section of the video, I wanna talk about the type of credit score that you need to get this credit card. And I'll keep things really short and sweet here. I'm at bankrate.com. I'm looking at the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature card, and it says that the recommended credit score for this credit card is good to excellent, which is 670 to 850. Now in this section of the video, I wanna talk about the cons of this credit card, because as awesome as this card is, it definitely has some drawbacks. The first drawback of this credit card is that you have to have an Amazon Prime membership, and an Amazon Prime membership these days is not cheap. It's running about $140 a year. One of the reasons that I'm getting this credit card is that my wife and I shop at Amazon a lot, and we shop at Whole Foods a lot, and there is frankly no other credit card that gets you 5% cash back at those stores. But more than that, I'll also use this credit card's cash back to subsidize my annual Amazon Prime membership, because I'm paying $140 a year, and even if I don't spend that $2,780, which is the break-even point, I'm still getting a lot of benefit by using this card, because essentially I'm gonna pay that $140 regardless of if I have this credit card or not. So why not make the most of it and get the 5% cash back by having this credit card? The second big drawback of this credit card is that you can't transfer your points. Now, I'm a big Chase credit card fan because Chase lets you have travel partners. You can travel, you can transfer your Chase points to hotel partners and airline partners, and you really can get maximum value of your Chase points that way. But with this credit card, you cannot transfer your points over to another partner. So it's not the biggest drawback in the world, but it is a drawback of this credit card, especially when you consider that other Chase cards let you transfer your points. And the third drawback of this credit card is that you can't use the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Again, if you don't use Chase credit cards to accrue points, this really won't make a difference to you, but Chase has an awesome travel portal that lets you book airlines, hotels, and whatever else, and it's really easy to transfer your points. But again, you won't be able to use the Ultimate Rewards portal with this Amazon Prime credit card, even though it's issued by Chase. Now, in terms of my final thoughts, I think that this credit card is awesome, especially if you shop at Amazon and Whole Foods. There is no other credit card, at least that I know of, that gets you 5% cash back at those retailers. So this credit card definitely fits the bill for me and my family, but you have to decide whether or not this credit card is worth it for you and your family. And with that, I'm gonna call it a video. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.